Hi everyone, and welcome back to my holiday organizing series where I upload organizing tips daily to help you hopefully create a little more organization during your holiday season. Now in this tip I want to offer you, I call it a wrapping hack for parents, okay? Now if you're wrapping gifts for multiple children, it can take a lot of extra time to write out gift tags for every single gift you wrap. So what I used to do with my 3 kids is I would wrap their gifts in specific colors for the holiday, and I usually tried to pick out their favorite. My daughter used to love purple, my son loved blue, and my other son loved green. So in order to avoid having to write all of those gift tags out, I'd wrap all of their gifts in one color, and that way I could tell them, just go to your favorite color and that's your gift. Okay? So it's just taking one extra step out of the process that can save you those precious extra minutes we so desperately need during the holiday season. So if you're pressed for time this holiday season, try just wrapping gifts in specific colors for specific people, and then you don't have to put those little gift tags on all of them. I hope this tip helps whoever has a ton of wrapping to do this holiday season. If you would like even more organizing tips like this and organizing templates and checklists, I have a downloadable PDF you can get. I'll leave the link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Take care, and I'll see you next time.